shiny good time. We're fine with a county line, kind of cold beer. Keep that dust covered rusted trucks running. Kissed on the bus, now you're raising up youngins. Oh, you're gonna find winding through the country. It's the middle of nowhere. Folks making something out of nothing out here. Yeah, it's something out of nothing out here. Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks so much for watching. Sorry I'm wearing this American flag just because I love America. So anyway, enough of that. But yeah, this is Nothin Out Here by Hixtape, which is like Hardy and Thomas Rhett on this one. I love this song. I'm really grateful it was requested. If you guys have other requests, just let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to try and accommodate as best as I can, okay? I can't guarantee I can always do it, but I'll try my best. So, with that, thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed and liked my videos lately and commented and stuff. I really do appreciate it. For those of you who haven't, you know, this is maybe your first time or something, I'd ask you to please hit like and subscribe and check the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials and videos, okay? So, enough of that stuff, let's get into it. Standard tuning, no capo. I love that, okay? And this song is super easy to play, it's just a few chords. Okay, so the chords you're gonna use for this song, and you're gonna use these for most of the song, but you're gonna use G. I use this G, it doesn't matter. I just use it because you go from C to G and it's really easy to do that, okay? You're gonna use G. I also use E minor, okay? And then you use C. The only other chord you're gonna use is A minor, okay? And you're only gonna use that like once or twice, okay? So, let's get into it. So for the intro, I would palm mute it. I think it sounds better. So palm muting, putting this part of your hand as close as you can to the white part right here, okay? So you're gonna put as low as you can down there, and you're gonna pluck the bass note. So, so on this one you're doing E and A, okay? I think I hit the D on that one, but E and A, okay? So that dun 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 dun. So notice when I'm doing E minor, okay? I'm still strumming the same two strings. So when you're palm reading, you can just do the E and the A string, okay? The whole time on this. So you're gonna do G and it's gonna be then you go to E minor, then you go to C. And you're still plucking the same ones, okay? Okay, then you're gonna go, there ain't nothing out here. Okay, so you're kind of still finishing up the last part of C. When you say there ain't nothing, nothing is G, okay? So you're gonna do that same chord progression throughout the verses, okay? Except for the bridge, that's where it's gonna be different. You're gonna go, so C, there ain't nothing, nothing is G, nothing out here, but dogs in the yard and a couple is where you're gonna do E minor, a couple John Deeres, some falling is where you're gonna do C, some falling down barns, yeah it's pretty, okay, so pretty is gonna be G, pretty darn clear, okay, he says a D word, but I'm trying not to swear, so, yeah it's pretty darn clear, like lightning in a jar if you passed, okay, if you passed it's E minor, pass it on the interstate, I bet it's C, okay? I bet you'd say, there ain't nothing, okay? So that nothing is G, nothing out here. There ain't a skyline if you've seen it, okay? Seen is gonna be E minor. Seen it from a Learjet, I bet it's C, okay? I bet you'd ask why, anybody, okay? Body's gonna be G. So you're gonna do, yeah, anybody down there would wanna live and die somewhere. Somewhere is E minor. Somewhere you gotta be lost to go, but they don't know. And then you're gonna go, they don't know. And I would mute it, and then you're gonna go into the chorus. You're gonna go, then you're gonna do the same chord progression. It's gonna be a little different strumming pattern. It's gonna be, we don't need no one. Oh, sorry. We alright without a touch label. And turn that dirt into what's on the table. We don't need no shiny good time. We're fine with a county line, kind of cold beer. Okay, so that's how you're gonna play it. You're gonna do the same thing, but you're gonna go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through that a little bit slower. down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so it's very easy to play. I don't know if you can hear the music, my neighbors are playing some music pretty loud right now. So anyway, so it's going to be, I'm going to walk you through it. So you're going to start with G, you just go G, E minor, C over and over. So it's we alright without a, so you do G on we. We alright without a touch label. Turn is E minor. Turn that dirt into what's. Okay, at the end of what's you're going to do C. What's on the table? And we, so it's and we is G. We don't need no shiny good time. We're fine. Fine is E minor. Fine with a county line. Kinda. Okay, kinda is C. Kinda cold beer. Keep. Okay, so you go to G on keep. Keep that dust covered. Sorry, those. Keep those dust covered rusted trucks running. You kissed. Kiss is E minor. Kissed on the bus. Now you're raising. Raising is C. Raising up the youngins. All is G. All you're gonna find. Let's see. All you're gonna find winding through the country is some middle. Middle is E minor. Middle of nowhere, folks. Folks is C. Folks making something out of nothing. Nothing is G. Nothing out here. You're gonna go to E minor and C. Yeah, there ain't. Yeah, there ain't. Yeah, let's see. It goes C. Yeah, it ain't nothing now. So then you're gonna palm mute again. Now, if you don't want to palm mute, you can just do this. Play it softer, just straight down, 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 down for that part. Okay. Now, the only time when this is different, so you're gonna put the second verse is the same, but then you go to the chorus, and at the end of the second chorus, you're gonna go. Let's see. So it's gonna be. All you're gonna find winding through the country is the middle of nowhere. Folks making something out of nothing. This is where you do A minor, okay? It's on nothing at the end of the second verse. Nothing out here might make a little, let's see, might live a little different. So for the bridge, you do different, C. Different out here might be a little simple. So simple is where you're gonna do G. Simple. Little slow like people say. And then you're gonna do C after say, but you're just gonna do a single strum. But at the end of the day, okay, then for the last chorus, you're gonna do single strums at the beginning. We alright without a out of touch label. And then you go turn is E minor, same timing as before. Turn that dirt into what's on the table. We don't need no shiny good time. We're fine with a county line, kinda cold beer. Keep that. See, then you're going to strumming on keep. Keep those dust covered rusted trucks running. You kissed on the bus, now you're raising up youngins. All you gotta do, let's see, all you're gonna find winding through the country is the middle of nowhere. Folks making something out of nothing out here. Okay, and that's how you play the whole song. So, let me know if you guys have any questions or comments or anything. It's a really fun song to play. It's an easy song, and I love all that small town living. So, let me know if you guys have any questions. And thanks, it's been real. I'll see you guys next time.